Hello there. I know you are familiar with line follower robots. Yes, these little robots follow a line automatically. I made this robot without using any microcontroller. It is based on LM358 op-amp and L293D cheap motor driver. It has a rechargeable battery and we can charge the robot using a Type-C USB cable. It's a beginner-friendly robotic project and anyone can build this easily. Now let's see how I built this. Let's get started with this video. Let's start by designing the circuit. I use easyeda Pro to design the circuit. easyeda Pro is a free online tool for designing circuit, PCB and run simulations. So here is the circuit diagram. I used Cloud Components libraries to design the circuit. You can just search and place any components without drawing it. The circuit is very simple and uses a LM358 op-amp to read the sensor reading and the output goes to the motor driver. That's it. After designing the circuit, I converted the circuit into a PCB. Then I drawn the PCB just like this. I made the PCB outline just like a 3-pie robot. Here's the final look of our PCB. After that, we need to send the Gerber files to JLCPCB for PCB fabrication. We can do that directly from here. Just go to Order, then select Order PCB. And it will direct to JLCPCB website. From JLCPCB, we can get 10 high-quality PCBs for just $2 in any color. After uploading the Gerber file, we can select PCB quantity, thickness, and color. Then we can select the shipping method, address, and we can place the order. After 7 days, I received the PCBs from JLCPCB. As always, the PCB quality and finishing is awesome. Next, I grabbed all the components. You can find the component list and other files from my site. First, I placed and soldered all the SMD components to the PCB. That includes resistors, capacitors, and IC. Then I inserted and soldered all the THT components. Finally, I added the 5-volt booster and charging module. Now let's connect and fix the N20 motors using this 3D printer brackets. After adding the motors, I added the rubber wheels. Now we can see it's not stable. To solve that, I added a supporting wheel just like this. Finally, I inserted the lithium polymer battery to the line follower robot and finished the assembly. The finished robot looks like this. We can adjust the sensitivity of sensors by adjusting the variable resistors. After that, we are ready to go. Now, see the working. You can also build this board without using the PCB. You can buy all the parts and also as a kit from my website. All the files are available to download as free. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed and got some fresh ideas from this video. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. A comment is very much appreciated. It's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.